Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we have another drone in the house. This is going to be the S20 drone. So I will put a link below in the description. A lot of these drones are great if you're a beginner and you're getting into it and you don't have a lot of money to spend to buy like a DJI drone and stuff. This does say it has a 4K camera and we will put that to the test. So I went ahead and I took this out the packaging here, and you guys see here, of course, you get a nice packaged drone here. You get several different accessories with, of course, you get a USB port to charge it up, and then you'll get a couple extra things as far as accessories and stuff go, a couple extra propellers and stuff in there. And this is going to be the drone here. Now you do get 2 batteries with this drone. That's going to be the 2 batteries right there. I'm going to take all this out real quick. So here it is, all taken out the package. So you get 2 of these batteries, and of course that's just going to insert in there for you to charge this up. This is going to be a look at the drone. It's a small miniature sized drone and stuff, but it should be fine for everything that you have to do with this. So you probably have to download the software and everything for it. So there's going to be an app for that to be able to work the camera and everything for it there. And this is going to be the radar for those of you guys that are flying drones. So if you're familiar, pretty much familiar with a lot of these radars, functionality on top of it, that's going to be for utilizing the cameras and stuff with this. And I believe this is also going to have 2 or 3 different types of speeds with it too. And it's going to have some of these buttons here that you can use. There's a speed button there in the center. There's going to be buttons too to help this thing lift off. And I believe this uses 2 or 3 AA's. I think it's going to be AAA's in there, but I'll let you guys know once we get this out. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to get this battery charged up, and we're going to take this for a test flight so you guys can see this and then also see the camera. Alright guys, what you're seeing here is just some basic flights of the drone. We went ahead and took it out. The wind was about 5 to maybe 6 or 7 miles per hour, so it wasn't too bad, and the drone handled flying out here in this type of weather pretty good. So like I said, I'll put a link below in the description if you guys want to check it out. I believe it's going to be about $169 right now on Amazon for this drone. And you'll see some camera footage too. We went ahead and turned the camera on as we were flying around. Now of course this doesn't have like a gimbal or anything like that on it, but when you see the camera footage, you'll see the kind of videos that you can film from, and you can actually download the software straight to your phone and then utilize the camera from there, or you can also use it on the remote as well. But for a beginner drone, taking this out and flying, it did pretty good, and here's going to be some of the camera footage there. Especially for the price point, I recommend if you don't have a drone, or if you're looking to upgrade from just a toy grade one and get something a little bit more sophisticated, this could be something you can look at. So guys, put your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. As always, I appreciate you watching.